Okay, reflect the triangle in the line y equals 2. First thing you need to do is to draw the line y equals 2. Okay, so remember y-axis, y is equal to 2 here. Okay, so it's going to be a horizontal line. Okay, and there's the line we're going to reflect in. So that's like your mirror, right? It's acting as a mirror. So this rectangle, I was looking in the mirror, and it's going to see itself over here if you think about it, because it sees itself perpendicular, straight direction from it. So this corner point here is 4 squares, isn't it, from the mirror? Okay, so we're going to be 4 back. Okay, so that's how you reflect. Focus on each corner point. So because that's 4 to the mirror, you'll be 4 back. This then, if you count how many squares, I think we're actually 7 squares to the mirror. So we go 7 squares back. We end up here. This corner point is 4 squares. So we go back 4 squares. We end up here. And this then is 7 squares to the mirror. So we back 7 squares. We end up here. And there's your reflected shape with the corner points, and we complete that there, and we are job done. And obviously check then to see the shape looks like it, and you can see that it's symmetrical about that line. Okay, part C, it says translate the rectangle shown below by this vector, this column vector 4 minus 2. What that means is we're going to shift it, we're going to move it. And when you move it, it stays the same in terms of its size, okay, and its orientation. Okay, we don't rotate it around or flip it or anything. But we need to move it by this vector, and this vector is really easy because what it's saying is move it across by 4, and in this case then that's negative 2, so move it down 2. Okay, so the top sort of value tells you how many we move in the x direction. The bottom value tells you how many we move in the y direction. So again, focus on the corner points. So the x is 4, so we need to move it across 4. So we're going from here, minus 1, across 4 to 3. And then it says the y value then is minus 2, so we need to move it down 2. So we end up here. Okay. This then, we move it across 4, and we're going to go down 2. Okay. And this then, we're going to move it, this corner point, we move it across 4, down 2, sorry, we end up here. This corner point then we move it across 4, down 3, we end up here, okay, and we can have our shape which is translated. Sometimes they overlap the other shape, okay, but that's okay. We've moved it across 4, down minus 2, okay.